Welcome back to Robot Roundup. Today we're building MARDUK, a mobile armored robotic destructor for Unrelenting Kaos. We're going to make it from some found plastic pieces and wire. Ready? Let's go. A while ago I got a pack of these pill-shaped pens. They've got a bunch of fun telescoping pieces, but for this build we're just using the outside capsules. I love this old Target pharmacy pill cap. I wish they still made these. I only have a few left in my stash. I found a bag of branded giveaway earbuds at a thrift store. The earbuds are useless, but the plastic case has a really cool flattened dome shape. For the robot's eye, I'm using a plastic knob I've had around for a long time. I also have an assortment of glass lenses. This one was a good fit. I used thick steel wires for the arms and legs, threading them into the other plastic pieces and then gluing them into place. I usually build things as sub-assemblies and then put them all together after they're painted. I made a claw hand out of sheet styrene, small beads, and thin wire. The claw is mounted on the thicker wire that threads into the end of a plastic test tube. I didn't have the parts to make a second claw hand, which was a happy accident because I ended up making a disintegration ray, and it turned out really cool. It was also made from plastic bits and beads.
Bees?
Using some thin wire, I'm making coils for the arms and legs. I'll be coiling the wire around a brass tube. I folded a piece of the wire into the tube, then tightened it into a drill chuck. Then I slowly guided the wire as it coiled. Once it got going, I could speed up the drill. Then the coil goes over the thicker arm wire like a sleeve. I have a bunch of fine art acrylics, but I've never tried them as model paints before, so this will be an experiment using some golden fluid acrylics and airbrush medium.
Oh yeah!
This violet was really strong, so I toned it down with a bit of burnt umber. It covered really well with the airbrush. I was worried that the surface was going to be a bit tacky, but it dried to a nice finish. That's about it for this build. Thanks for watching. Robots rule, and so do you. See you at the next roundup.